Hello beautiful people, it's Kim here with Verily Fiber Fun. Welcome to day 5 of Tour de Fleece. I apologize that day 5 is coming out a couple of days late, but better late than never, right? And life does happen. I was sick yesterday, so I didn't even get to work on anything. But that aside, on day 5, the kids and I went to my mom's with the Bay Production spinning wheel. And while we visited, talked about gardening, and before and after I cooked supper, and we all ate together. It was a great day, but in the middle of it all, I was spinning away, and the kids were playing and having a great time with their granny. It was a fabulous day, and I thoroughly enjoyed socializing while spinning. So this is the sock blend I've been working on, and before I tell you what I put in it, I spun kind of across the top like you would for comb top, and it made something similar to a self-striping single. I had originally flicked with each color separately. I had originally flicked each lock and then put them through the drum carder with silk and nylon and Firestar, and blended several times through the carder. And then when I got all the colors done, I layered the reddish purple, gray, yellow, and then the green, and dizzed off in a circle, which was really difficult because I packed too much on the drum carder. So I'm trying to learn to pack less on, but it's really hard for me because I'm used to getting as much as I can in the drum. So work in progress. Finished the first bob and started the second one while at my mom's. Then when I got home, I started my fun art bat that I had carded eons ago on Lady Elizabeth. And she is photobombing. Actually, that's my computer photobombing in the background, but you get the idea. So, I just spun thick and thin however the fiber wanted to spin. It was fun, it was quick. I decided to stop spinning, took a picture, and then said, you know, this is my progress for day 5. And then I couldn't sleep, so I got up and I finished the bat. So I got the whole thing spun. I did try out a few camera angles, experimenting with the tripod sitting in a different spot and using the selfie stick, and this was the best one. So you guys get to enjoy a little bit of my experimentation today. That's about all I have to say about day 5. It was extremely productive, and did you notice there's a color theme going on here? Blue, purple, and yellow, and the other one was greenish, bluish, reddish, purplish, yellow, and gray. Anyway, so I hope you guys are having a fabulous Tour de Fleece, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!